Hey adventurers, join us, the LANMonkeys, as we take you on a geocaching adventure to GeoWoodstock 20 in Flagstaff, Arizona. Geocaching is our tour guide, so get ready for hidden treasures, stunning landscapes, and unforgettable adventures. But before we begin this adventure, there's a more serious part that we want to talk to you about. Our friend JustCarlo has given us, nay, entrusted us with his trackable, JustCarlo Has FOMO. And our goal in this adventure is to make sure that Carlo understands that he is not missing a thing. I'm Jay.
I'm Laura. And we're the LANMonkeys.
We're two crazy Canadian cachers traveling the world, finding amazing experiences using geocaching as our tour guide. Okay, adventurers, we are headed to Flagstaff, Arizona, and we're bringing along JustCarlo Has FOMO so that our friend Carlo, over there on the JustCarlo YouTube channel, he realizes that he is not going to miss out on the oldest geocache in Arizona, the Snowbowl, amazing locations around Flagstaff and out through the desert, some abandoned places, the Four Corners Monument, and let's not forget GeoWoodstock 20, the mother of all megas. But first, it's time to pack up and get ourselves in the air and down south. Look at the size of that one. Nice. Very cool. Well, it's also an oldie. Congrats. You happy?
Yep. The things you have to do to make me happy.
Right. But she's happy, so. With a happy monkey and Arizona's oldest active geocache in the bag, or ammo can, it was time to take JustCarlo northwards to Flagstaff, where we'll connect with our friends for some more geocaching adventures and maybe run into some geocaching celebs who can help with the FOMO.
Hey, Carlo from Vancouver. This is Sunny and Sandy from podcaster.com, Podcaster Podcast.
And hey, we're at Flagstaff,
Yeah.
and you know, you're not missing anything.
Nothing.
It is so boring. There's nothing going on.
Excuse me. Sorry. Oh.
And it's terrible weather.
Yeah,
And-
yeah. And there's like nothing to do out here.
Nothing
In
at all.
fact, I'm going to take a nap in a little bit, and I think
Yeah.
that's the most exciting thing I'm going to be
Maybe
doing
go back
today.
to the hotel.
Hotel,
Nothing
watch
at all.
some TV, or I don't know, buffet, maybe that. But there's nothing to do here. You're not missing a thing.
Not a thing.
So don't worry about it. Just relax at home. You're probably better off. So, all right. See you guys.
Hey adventurers, so we are making our way up the hill to the Lowell Observatory. We've got a truck full of cachers here. We're having a pretty good day. It's not super boiling hot like it was in Phoenix, which is awesome. And we're gonna go and see where Pluto was discovered. Well, adventurers, we are up at the first event we can get to, and hey, they've got some great beers on tap here, so what a great way to start. And lots of fun friends to mingle with. Man, so many familiar faces I've seen. Looking forward to seeing some more. And the beer is great. All right, let's go meet some people.
This is boring. I'm glad Carlo didn't get to come because it's boring here. We've never met in person, but we probably wouldn't have met here either because I probably would have left by now. But Anyway, see you, Carlo.
Hey, how's it going? I see that you're not here. Dude, you're not missing. I mean, it's hot. Look at how hot it is. It's hot. We're in Arizona. I mean, look at it. Hot, but then there's snow. And it's the worst of both worlds. You're not missing anything. So, I'll see you at a better place.
Totally not missing out on anything. Literally nothing going on. So few people. You absolutely would have met me.
Nobody here.
Nobody, man. So good thing you stayed home.
Well, Carlo, since there's nothing to do in Flagstaff, we may as well drive out into the desert and see if we can kill some time until GeoWoodstock. Hey adventurers, we are in Winslow, Arizona, and indeed, we are standing on a corner, doing the virtual, doing the adventure labs, having a great time on this road trip. First stop, Winslow, Arizona. All right, adventurers, next stage of our adventure, we are entering New Mexico. And our first find in New Mexico, yeah. Okay, Carlo, as you can see, you're not missing much in the desert, so maybe you won't mind visiting 4 states at once, just to hurry things up before GeoWoodstock. All right, time for a group photo. Yep. Okay, we can do that.
Stand around it? Sure, why not?
All right, Carlo, well, we've made it to GeoWoodstock and to the trackable table, so we're gonna get you dropped off here, buddy.
Don't feel bad, you're just going to be dropped in a bucket.